In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Wix blog post layout. First, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access all of your blog design settings in one place. Once you are inside the editor, go to the far left side of the screen and click the Pages and Menu icon. This is where Wix keeps all the pages and page groups for your site. From there, find your blog pages folder and select your main blog page. This will take you to the page where your blog feed is displayed, which is the section you will be customizing. Next, click directly on the blog feed on the canvas. Make sure you are selecting the feed itself and not another element on the page. When the small toolbar appears, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens the panel where you can control how your blog feed looks and what information appears for each post. In the Settings panel, go to the Display tab. This is where you can decide what details visitors will see on your blog posts. You can toggle on or off items like the author name, the publish date, the estimated reading time, and category tags. This is useful if you want a cleaner, more minimal look, or if you want to provide more context for readers browsing your content. After that, switch to the Layout tab here. You can change the overall display style of your blog feed. Wix gives you several layout options including magazine, side-by-side, full post, and one column. Each layout gives your blog a different visual feel. For example, magazine can look more editorial while one column often feels simple and focused. Choose the one that best matches the style of your website and the reading experience you want to create. Then go to the Design section to fine-tune the appearance of your blog. This is where you can adjust navigation settings and customize how your posts look. You can work on post styles, text colors, borders, and post backgrounds to better fit your brand or website theme. Small design changes here can make a big difference in how polished and professional your blog feels. You can also adjust the category menu labels, buttons, and ratings. These settings help you refine the interactive parts of your blog, so everything feels consistent and easy for visitors to use. Take a moment to review your changes in the editor, and make sure the layout is easy to read and visually balanced. Once everything looks the way you want, you are all set. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.